4 ways having a fulfilling job makes you healthier. It's probably not a surprise that having a job that you hate or that is stressful or boring is bad for your health. But did you know that being happy in your job is a health plus? It can even help you live longer. Here are some reasons a fulfilling job makes for a healthier life. 1. Happy people are healthier people. Study after study has shown that your state of mind affects your health. And the happier you are, the healthier. Happiness and positivity are correlated with stronger immune systems, making you more resilient to illness and inflammation. A long-term study of older people in England showed that participants who reported being happy and positive were 35% less likely to die within the next 5 years than negative people. 2. A fulfilling job will lower stress and anxiety. If you enjoy your job, you're much less likely to suffer from negative stress and anxiety. Good stress, the sort that comes with facing and overcoming challenges or learning new skills or solving problems, is good for you and helps build psychological resilience. Negative stress and worry flood your system with cortisol, the bad hormone that is associated with inflammation and can lead to heart disease, high blood pressure, or even stroke and a heart attack. The most common time for a heart attack to strike is Monday morning. If you lie awake worrying about work or feeling pressured all day long, you need to find a new job for your health's sake. 3. You'll have more energy. If you're unhappy or bored at work, you're likely going to have low energy and motivation. You're certainly not going to spring out of bed in the morning raring to go. If you have a meaningful, fulfilling job, you will sleep better, have more energy, and be much more motivated to reach your goals. And that energy will spill over into other areas of your life, making you happier and healthier. 4. Your mental well-being will improve. You spend so much time at work that it's hardly surprising an unfulfilling job will affect your emotional health and well-being. If you feel grouchy about having to go to work, that negative mindset will affect your patience, your confidence, and your expectation that you can change anything. You might even start to feel like a victim. Choosing a job that's fulfilling, meaningful, even fun, and you'll see your mood improve. Your confidence will grow, and you'll be a happier, more confident person.